In this demo, we'll show you how to transform your development workflow from design to testing using 3 powerful MCP servers. Then, you'll see how MCP Now, our desktop app, makes it incredibly simple to install these servers and even share your server setup with anyone. Now let's see the servers in action. First, we'll use the Figma MCP server to pull design data from Figma files. In Figma, select the section you want to implement and copy the link. In Cursor, ask AI to pull the specs and images from the Figma link, all powered by the Figma server. Next, we'll unleash the 21st Dev MCP server to turn that design into functional code. Watch as 21st Dev handles the implementation, saving you hours of manual work. Now that our design is implemented, we'll use the Playwright MCP server to test the page. Playwright helps us fix bugs and ensure every interactive element works. So, how can you be equipped with all this power? That's where MCP Now comes in, a desktop app that radically simplifies managing MCP servers. You can scan to add MCP hosts automatically. And it's never been easier to find and install MCP servers. For Figma, get your API key by following the Quick Start Guide and fill it in. Follow the same steps for 21st Dev. For servers like Playwright, no key is needed. It's a one-click setup. Once your servers are installed and enabled, just head into your Cursor settings and ensure the MCP Now integration is active with a green light. If not, toggle it off and on again. And beyond easy setup, you can share server configurations with anyone. Select Basic Configuration to exclude your private API keys for security. The recipient can just click the link and import the setup. Ready to automate your workflow? Try it yourself at mcpnow.io.